1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL two-door fastback or two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now has a 390 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Has underwent some restoration work. I'll get into that in just a bit. First, let's take a look at the chrome up front with the bumpers, bumperettes on there, headlight surrounds, that good looking grille. Hood ornament. Still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. There's going to be a link down there. Click on it. That'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Paint, I'd kind of call it an off-white or cream. And there is a folder of miscellaneous receipts. And I did notice there was a paint code in there, PPG. Now, as far as some of the restoration work that's been done to this, obviously paint, new rear shocks, as well as trunk seal, also exhaust, brake booster, starter, generator, carpet, sound deadener, sway bar front and rear. So some service work has been done to this, restoration work been done to it, carpeting on the interior. I know it does have a blue two-tone interior. Buckets up front, center console. So pretty stock looking dash. Obviously with the exception of that little die-cast car that's along with it that'll be on the dash. You can see these panels nice and straight too, from the rear to the front. Fender skirts, and not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I'm sure you may be able to find an imperfection here or there, but this car will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Good year. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good. Again, bumperettes, dual exhaust. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And once again, take your time looking through all those still pictures. Be able to see the underside of this car, trunk, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel and you've been watching our videos, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online, or of course right off our showroom floor. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Panels over on this driver's side looking straight also. Excuse me. Riding on radial tires, white walls, the XL wheel covers. Let's check out this interior now. Looks like it could appear to be the original door panels. Seating surfaces, again, two-tone vinyl. Now, in a medium blue, dark blue. Did say the carpeting was replaced. About the headliner looking good. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. A lot of chrome and polished work on the interior. Looks good. Fires right up. I have had the wipers working. Did not have the radio power up for me. And by decoding the VIN on this, it does come up as a 500 XL. Looks like original California car, LA built anyway. Let's take a listen. $390 sounds pretty good. All right, let me slip up to the front. It's going to take two hands to get this hood popped. So I'm going to pause it a second, get this hood open, check out the underside of the hood, and we'll wrap up this walk around. But remember, stick around. Jason's going to take for a drive yet. Underside of the hood. That's nice and clean and tidy, as is the rest of this engine bay. There it is, a 390. And again, power steering, power brakes. You can see the newer booster master cylinder. We got a little chrome dress up on that engine. Boy, a smooth runner too. Battery disconnect here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Looks good under there. Good looking engine bay. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just enjoy it. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL 2-door fastback or hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Ford Galaxie. It even has a little mini-me right there. This is a very nice Galaxie with an automatic transmission shifted right here on the long center console with storage compartment. That's all looking really good. The seats, the interior door panels, the dash also looking good. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Nice acceleration, nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Our fuel gauge is reading a half of a tank. Temperature gauge, a little under half. That's right where you'd want it. Speedometer showing 55 miles an hour. The wipers work on this car. Very nice bucket seats inside this car with two-tone blue and kind of a chromatic rib along the edge of it. Really impressive condition. Factory horn is working. Smooth ride out of this car. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane or where it should, meaning the alignment is good. Brakes are working nicely. Corners better than I would expect, actually. Doesn't lean very much in the corners. A little better than average maybe for a 64 Ford. Rumbles just enough to let you know that that's a V8. Very nice car, fun to drive, comfortable, and looks good. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Galaxie from Ford at UniqueClassicCars.com.